Hi, hope you are fine. Today we will discuss regarding the proper technique of toothbrushing. Our teeth are usually covered with dental plaque, which is basically a soft layer of bacteria. The bacteria which reside over our teeth will cause tooth decay, gum disease, gingivitis, gum bleeding, and bad breath from our mouth. So, the important and simple thing is correct technique of toothbrushing. So, we will discuss today in detail. Before discussing, if you are new to my channel, kindly like and subscribe this channel so that further information will be delivered to you. Toothbrush, a simple tool for teeth cleaning, should be used twice a day to keep your oral hygiene to optimum level. Every person brush his or her teeth, but where is the fault? Why why not everyone teeth are not in good condition? There are lot of decays, gum bleedings, bad breathing. Main thing is improper brushing, giving less time to toothbrushing, improper angulation of toothbrush to the tooth surfaces. So we will discuss the best method today, which is modified bath technique. First of all, your toothbrush must be soft with a flat handle to grip properly. Second thing, place your filaments or bristles of the brush over the gum line at 45 angle and brush vertically from gum to the tooth surface like this. Never brush in horizontal direction. The consequences of horizontal brushing is gum recession. You are pushing the gums in downward direction and exposing the root surfaces of your teeth, causing root caries, sensitivity of the teeth, and food infection, and also black triangles in between the teeth. So always brush vertically at 45 angle to the gum line and swipe vertically like this. This is for the front teeth, anterior, upper, and same in the lower from gum line to upward in the opposite direction. If you are cleaning your palatal surface of your teeth, the angle is perpendicular like this. If you are cleaning the lingual surfaces towards the tongue of the lower teeth, the angle is this. For the top surfaces of the teeth, the technique is very simple. Just move circular the filaments of the brush so that the foaming effect of toothpaste is will be reached to every surfaces of the teeth. So this is the simple way of toothbrushing. That is, always use a soft brush with flat handle and brush before going to bed and before the breakfast, and give time to brushing at least 4 to 5 minutes in front of the mirror after seeing every tooth surface is recommended. The second thing is the amount of toothpaste. Always use very little amount of toothpaste, like pea size is recommended for the adults, and also use dental floss for cleaning the surfaces between the teeth. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. Share my channel more and more so that information will be spread to everyone. If any question related to this video, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.